Welcome back to Infigyan, my dear friends. In this very exciting video of algebraic challenging equations, here we are going to take up one Olympiad's problem from rational equations. The given equation is 13x minus x square over x plus 1 times x plus 13 minus x over x plus 1 equal to 42. I will demonstrate two methods to solve this problem. First method I would call the smart way of solving, and second method I will call the hard way, the lengthiest way of solving. So let's get started with the smart way. So I will write method number 1 and I will begin with taking x common from this term 13x minus x square. So I will write x times 13 minus x over x plus 1, and in bracket it would be left x plus 13 minus x over x plus 1, and RHS is 42. But before that we should comment on denominator. See, denominator is involved, so x cannot be equal to -1. Okay, now I will give one substitution. You can see this term is appearing twice. So let us give substitution. So I will write let 13 minus x over x plus 1 equal to y, suppose. So equation will become xy in bracket x plus y equal to 12, 42. Okay, now I will consider one thing. See, if you can observe, this is one term I will consider. You can give substitution also if you want. And see, this is I will consider second term. So it is product of two numbers. So product is known, that is our equation xy times x plus y. Now I will try to find out the sum of two roots. Product of roots, one number you can consider, this is a, and suppose this is b. Then it is product of root ab equal to 42. Now I will find out a plus b value. Okay, so let us check xy plus x plus y, what value we will get. So I will write the value of y is our substitution. So let me write this value first. Y value is 13 minus x over x plus 1 plus x plus y. So x plus y, let me write 13 minus x over x plus 1. Done. Now I will write this value 13x, expand it, minus x square plus x times x plus 1. So let me write x square plus x plus 13 minus x over x plus 1. So you can see x is cancelled out. Okay, any other term? Yes, x square with negative x square. What is left? 13 times x plus 13 over x plus 1, which will give us 13 x plus 1 over x plus 1. So ultimately what we are having, sum of roots and product of roots. Now this value is 13. So this value is 13. You can see it is sum of root, and this equation is product of root. Now I will frame one quadratic equation. Let me write here. So I will consider one quadratic variable k square. So equation will become k square minus sum of roots times k plus product of roots. So let's put the value and we will find out xy and x plus y value. So let us put the value, sum of roots, it was x plus y and x plus y, that was 13. We have calculated. So k square minus 13k plus 42, product of roots, let me write here, xy times x plus y equal to 42, and we have calculated xy plus x plus y, which is equal to 13. So equation becomes this. Now I will solve this quadratic using quadratic formula, minus b. So 13 plus minus square root b square 169 minus 4ac. 4 times 40, 160. 4 times 2, 8. 168 with negative sign divided by 2. So 13 plus minus square root 1, so 1 over 2. So I will write here 13 plus 1, 14 over 2, so 7. And 13 minus 1, 12 over 2, so 6. There are two k values, k equal to 7 and k equal to 6. Now, what is k? K is root of this quadratic equation. So what is our root? Two roots are there, see. One is xy, another is x plus y. So I will frame two partition here. Either xy will become 7, then x plus y will be 6, or xy is 6, then x plus y should be 7. Okay. Now let's solve. So from first one I will write y is equal to 7 over x, and this value I will put here. So I will get x plus 7 over x equal to 6. So x square minus 6x plus 7 equal to 0. Let's apply quadratic formula. 6 plus minus square root 36 minus 28 over 2. And this 2 is with complete bracket. You can put over there bracket. Now 6 plus minus 36 minus 28, 8. So 4, 2 root 2 it will become over 2. So ultimately what we are getting, 3 plus minus root 2. So this is our solution of the original equation. Two solutions are here. Now let us solve this set of equation, system of equation. Similar way I will write y equal to 6 over x. I will put over there. So x plus 6 over x equal to 7. Multiply both sides with x. I will write x square minus 7x plus 6 equal to 0. Let's apply quadratic formula. Minus b plus minus square root b square 49 minus 4ac 24 over 2. This is 49. Okay, 49 minus 24, 25. So I will write 7 plus minus square root 25 is 5 over 2. So it will give us either 12 over 2 by plus sign and using minus sign 2 over 2. So 6 and 1. 6 and 1. So here we are having 4 solutions by the concept of Vita's method and the quadratic equation, how it would be. See, once you know the sum of roots and product of roots, you can consider this equation directly, find out roots, put the assumption what you considered. This is what we have done in method number 1, and this is a smart way of solving this problem. Now let's consider the second method, which is conventional one. So I will expand this. Let me expand this first. So I will consider 13 minus x. Let me write in this manner, x square, first term, multiplied with this. So x square times 13 minus x over x plus 1 plus 13 minus x whole square times x over x plus 1 equal to 42. Let me write here method number 2. Okay. Now denominator is identical. So I will multiply both sides with x plus 1 as x is not equal to minus 1. So let us do that. So I will write x square times 13 minus x, and then I will write this whole square. If I will multiply, then this whole square. So I need to write here x plus 1 plus x times 13 minus x whole square divided by x plus 1 whole square equal to 42. Now cross multiply with x plus 1 whole square as x is not equal to negative 1. And let's expand the numerator also. So what equation will be having? Let me write one more time so that picture will be clear. X plus 1 plus x times 13 minus x whole square is equal to 42 times x plus 1 whole square. Now using algebraic identity and few points, means you have to collect and expand it. So you will get one quartic equation. Let me write that equation directly. X power 4 minus 13x cube plus 55x square. Then you will be having minus 85x plus 42 equal to 0. Now this is one standard quartic equation. We will begin with rational root theorem. As we have constant coefficient 42, so we can find out eligible factors plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 6, plus minus 7 and so on. Okay, if I will put x is equal to 1, see what will happen. 1 minus 13 plus 55 minus 85 plus 42. So if you will add 55 and 42, 97 plus 1, 98, and if you will add 13 and 85, 98 with negative sign. So this is coming out 0. That means x equal to 1 is our base solution. Now our path is clear for synthetic division method. So I will write the coefficients of quartic equation: 1 minus 13, 55 minus 85, 42. I will put one line over there. Let me write here SDM, synthetic division method. Okay, now first term as it is, I will write 1. Leading coefficient as it is. Now 1 times 1, 1, negative 12, 1 times negative 12, negative 12, 43, 1 times 43, 43, then I will write minus 42, 1 times negative 42, negative 42, 0. So here we are having coefficients for cubic equation. So let me write cubic equation: 1 minus 12, 43 and minus 42. So cubic equation will become x cube minus 12x square plus 43x minus 42 equal to 0. Done. Same job. Again I will use rational root theorem. Again I will write the same thing: plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3 and so on. Okay. And you will check by putting few values. Leading coefficient is 1. So no need to worry. Whatever you have factorized here, that would be solution, might be. So I will put directly x is equal to 6. If I will put 6, then it will become 6 cube minus 12 times 6 square plus 43 times 6 minus 42. If you will put and check, see what will come out: 216 minus 432. Then I will be having 258, then minus 42. So 474 minus 474. So it is clear that x is equal to 6 will be considered as base solution for the given cubic equation. Now what I will do? Same job, same task. I will write all the coefficients of cubic equation: 1, minus 12, 43, negative 42. Put one line over there. Leading coefficient 1 as it is. 1 times 6, 6, minus 6, minus 36, 7, minus 42. No, it is plus 42. Plus 6 times 7, plus 42, 0. So here we are having coefficients for quadratic equation: x square minus 6x plus 7 equal to 0. Let us solve this quadratic equation. So far we have calculated two solutions: x is equal to 1 and 6, with one quadratic equation left, that is x square minus 6x plus 7. Let's solve this quadratic equation quickly to find out complete solution. So equation was x square minus 6x plus 7 equal to 0. Let me apply quadratic formula once again, Sridharacharya formula. Minus b, so minus of minus 6, 6 plus minus square root b square minus 6 square 36 minus 4ac minus 28 divided by 2a, so 2. 6 plus minus square root 8 over 2. So I will write 6 plus minus square root 8, 4 times 2, 2 root 2 over 2. So it will give us 3 plus minus root 2. This is our remaining two solution. Here we are having, so overall solution, if you want to write all the four solutions using the typical conventional method, 1, 6, 3 plus minus root 2. Four solutions are here, and a smart way was much quicker than this method. I hope you like this video. This video will be meaningful to you. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next good video. Bye.